Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your car safety and capture every moment on the road, you've come to the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams of 2026 that give you crystal clear video, advanced features, and peace of mind while driving. We've researched and tested these dash cams, so whether you want 4K video, night vision, or smart parking features, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. WOLFBOX i07 3-channel dash cam. Front plus inside plus rear. Resolution 4K front plus 1440p inside plus 1080p rear. Features built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, IR night vision, 24-hour parking mode. Display 3-inch LCD screen. Included 32GB SD card. The WOLFBOX i07 is perfect for those who want a full 3-camera setup without breaking the bank. The 4K front camera captures sharp details, while the inside and rear cameras ensure full coverage. Setup is easy with Wi-Fi and the app, so you can view videos directly from your phone. Pros: 3-channel coverage, great night vision, built-in GPS tracks your routes. Cons: 32GB SD card might fill up quickly. Slightly larger body may block rear view. If you want a 3-channel dash cam with everything you need, the WOLFBOX i07 is a solid choice. But if you're looking for even higher frame rates and extra storage, check out our next pick. Number 2. Vantrue N2X 2.7K dual dash cam, front and inside. Resolution 2.7K front and inside. Features HDR, IR night vision, STARVIS 2 sensor, GPS, voice control, 24/7 parking mode. Connectivity, 5G Wi-Fi, supports up to 512GB SD card. The Vantrue N2X is designed for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants high-quality interior recording. The STARVIS 2 sensor ensures incredible nighttime clarity, and the voice control makes operation hands-free. Plus, it supports massive storage for long drives. Pros: excellent low-light recording, large storage support, easy app integration. Cons: dual channel only, no rear camera, slightly pricier than other dual cams. Number 3. REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 dash cam, front and rear. Resolution 4K front plus rear. Display 3.18-inch touchscreen. Features voice control, GPS, loop recording, parking mode. Storage 128GB SD card included. Connectivity 5 GHz Wi-Fi, 20 MB per second download. The REDTIGER 4K is ideal for those who want high-quality video without the hassle of constant SD card management. The included 128GB card and fast Wi-Fi mean you can download and manage files quickly, while voice control keeps your hands on the wheel. Pros: high-resolution 4K recording, large included storage, easy user touchscreen. Cons: front and rear only, no inside camera. Wi-Fi range can be short. Number 4. REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dash cam. Resolution 2160p front plus 1080p inside plus 1080p rear. Features STARVIS 2 IMX675 HDR, IR night vision, G sensor, WDR, GPS, and parking mode. Connectivity 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 64GB SD card included. If you want a premium 3-channel setup, the REDTIGER F17 delivers. With HDR and STARVIS 2 sensors, this cam captures every detail, day or night. The Wi-Fi and GPS integration make tracking and sharing footage easy. Pros: excellent night and HDR video, 3-channel coverage, smart parking mode. Cons: slightly more expensive, larger size may require careful placement. Number 5. BOTSLAB 4K dash cam, front and rear. Resolution 4K front plus 2K rear, 170-degree ultra-wide lens. Features ADAS, night vision, WDR, GPS, loop recording, 24/7 parking mode. Connectivity 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, no SD card included. The BOTSLAB 4K is packed with smart features like ADAS for lane departure warnings and collision alerts. Its ultra-wide lens ensures you capture every angle. You'll need to buy an SD card separately, but the performance is top-notch. Pros: advanced safety features, ADAS, wide-angle, high-quality video, 24/7 parking mode. Cons, no SD card included, slightly complex installation. So, there you have it, the top 5 dashcams of 2026. If you want a budget-friendly 3-channel option, go with WOLFBOX i07. For rideshare drivers or interior focus, the Vantrue N2X is perfect. If high-resolution front and rear footage is your priority, check out REDTIGER 4K. For premium 3-channel and HDR quality, choose REDTIGER F17. And if you want advanced safety features and ultra-wide angles, the BOTSLAB 4K is the one. All links are in the description below. Hit that like button if this video helped you, subscribe for more tech reviews, and comment which dashcam you'd pick for your car.